So assalamu alaikum, my respected viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to know about how to build a scroll writer in JavaScript. Like if you got an exam score, how will you check what you get? You get A plus, A minus, B or F. So let's start. First the score calculator will look like this. So you have to enter your score here. Like I will enter 99 and I got A plus. And if I write 71, I got A. Okay, so if I write 75, I got A, and if I write 50, I got F, means I failed. So how we will build it? So for that we will need JavaScript. So we will use JavaScript for that. So I'm going to my desktop and create a new folder. So in here I'm going to create a new folder. I will write score checker. Okay, now what will I do is enter that folder. Okay, now what we'll do is create another folder called assets. Okay, now in the assets I will create another folder named JS, and in the JS I will create another folder, another file script.js. Okay, script.js. Yes, now our JavaScript file has been created. Now what will I do in the assets? With the assets folder I will create index.html. So index.html. Yes, now we are done. Now we will open that folder with a code editor. So I am using VS Code. You can also use that. This is very good editor. Now open that with my file. So desktop and scroll checker, here it is. You see the folder. Now our folder has been opened. Here it is. Now what will I do is, now as you can see, our index.html and our JS file is here. So I will open both of them, but now I will open index.html. Okay, now in here what will I do is, in here I will take a doc.html. Okay, so in here score checker 2.0. Okay, score checker 2.0. Okay, now what will I do is create a link my JavaScript to that. So script SSC and with the folder path in my assets folder, in the JS folder, in the script.js. Now I will open my script.js folder with that. So how will you see? So I have opened my notepad here, and as you can see we have this folders here. So what our score will be? If I get 80, my score will be A plus. If I get more than 71 and less than 79, I will get A. So that's like we are gonna check the score. So first we are gonna create a prompt. So what is prompt? Prompt is a pop-up box that you write the score. So this is a pop-up box. So we're gonna write here. So what we're gonna write is let let score is equals to prompt, and in here I will write your code. Okay, now let's see our code box. Let's open the index.html folder here. Now as you can see we have a pop-up box here, but it is not showing anything, so we have to do some codes. Okay, now what will we do is go to the next line. Okay, go to next line. Wait a minute. Oh sorry, I have some issues with this. So like I have some problems. Okay, now what we'll do is now create a if else statement. So first we will go here and copy this. So like copy, like it is a JS comment. Okay, so copy this comment here. Okay, now in here I will write if my score is greater than 80. So we also have to give equal, or it won't work. So we also have to give equal. Like if I give 80, it will show nothing. So that's why you have to give equal. So okay, then what you will do is say document dot write. In here it will show you got a plus. Okay, now let's see the preview. Okay, you have to refresh it. Okay, let's give 80. So as you can see, it is you got a plus, and if you give number before 80, it will also show a plus. 90, it is showing a plus. Okay, it is working. Okay, now what will I do is go to here, and we will now create another statement. So now we will create for this. Okay, now I'll copy this, paste it here. Now in here I will write else if. Okay, if I give if again it won't work, I have to give else if. We can also give else. You have to give else if. Okay, else if score. Okay, score is greater than 71, and then why we give and because we need two operations, so that's why we give and then. If you have one condition like this, you don't have to give and then, but we have two conditions, that way we are giving two. Okay, and what we'll do is score, and we will now give this sign and this sign, and now we will give 79. Okay, 79. Okay, now we will write document dot write you dot a. Okay, now we have the score a. Now we will go to our home page and refresh it. Now if I give 79, it will show you I got 1, and what were the numbers? I see 71. Like if I now give 78, 75, it will show a. Okay, now it's working. Now for the next statement. Okay, a minus. Okay, now if I give a minus, so you will be bored, so I'm just gonna pause the video and write all of that. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video. So guys, I've done my coding. As you can see, I've done all of them. So as you can see, so you can write this codes I will show. So these are the codes I write here. So if it is greater than, so these are the codes. You can also copy and write these codes. Okay, now this will work. Now let's try with 60. Okay, let's refresh it. 60, you got F. No, wait a minute, there's some errors here. You got D. Oh, here it is the problem. Wait a minute, I will just see 66. Okay, 66. So it is showing F. Okay, it is good. Now if I got 60, I got B. If I got 50, I got F. Okay, now it is good. Now I have to design it. Look how beautiful is it, and this isn't beautiful, so we have to change it. So now what will we do is go to here and go to index.html. Okay, now in here, now I will give a font here. Okay, I have a font link here. Okay, font. So here it is, my font link. I just copied the font link by UPIT source, and here's the font link here. So now what will I do is go back here, and here now paste it. Now I have pasted it. Now what will I do is apply this font. Okay, after this link I will give a style tag. Okay, let me see if my video is ongoing. Okay, my video is ongoing. So in the style I will write this sign, the universal operator. It's going to give margin. Okay, I have some problem here. Margin 0, padding 0, and text align center, align item center, and justify content also center. Then it will be on perfect center, and font family, your poppins, sans serif. Now what will I do is give a background color, BG, background color will be green, like green yellow. Okay, let me go with that color, and font size 50 pixel. Font size 50 pixel. Now let's see. See, as you can see, we have done. Now let's give 80. I've got A plus. Now let's give 60. I've got B. let's give 99. I got, yeah, and let's give like 59. Oh, it's showing this thing. Okay, now we have done our score checker with JavaScript. So that's all to this video. So please subscribe my channel and like this video and turn on the bell icon to get more videos like this. So bye bye guys, stay home, stay safe. Bye, stay home, stay safe.